Well, you know us as Joe
and Shane
because we are
the Gold Guys.
What affects the price of platinum? Unlike gold, which is loved by many for jewelry and investment, platinum plays double duty. It's a prized luxury metal and behind-the-scenes industrial powerhouse. Today we're talking about the real price drivers behind platinum and why following platinum's price means watching both industry trends and global headlines. Platinum isn't only for engagement rings or collector's coins. It's critical to the modern world, essential in car exhaust systems, electronics, even cutting-edge green tech like hydrogen fuel cells. In fact, the automotive industry alone consumes about 45% of all platinum, mostly for catalytic converters to that clean car exhaust fumes. Jewelry takes up another large slice of that, about 25% of platinum demand, particularly in markets like China and India. Other industries, such as chemical manufacturing for fertilizers, medical devices and instruments, etc., account for another 25% of platinum use, and finally, investment takes up approximately the remaining 5%. Of course, all these percentages will shift over time, but it gives us a good view into what actually affects platinum's price. It's clear that of these, industry has quite the influence over platinum, automotive in particular. The bulk of platinum demand, about 40 to 45%, comes from automakers, especially for catalytic converters that reduce toxic emissions. As countries introduce stricter emission regulations, demand could rise in platinum. That said, electric vehicles don't need catalytic converters at all. As EVs grow in popularity, some worry that platinum prices may fall due to that drop in demand. Still, hybrids and hydrogen fuel cell cars, which use platinum as a critical component, are gaining some traction, which does help keep that demand steady. What about the supply side? How much platinum is actually out there? Let me put it this way. Platinum makes gold look common. Platinum is about 30 times more rare than gold, with roughly 70% of the world's platinum coming from South Africa. That means if a mine faces a strike, power outages, political unrest, or shuts down for any reason at all, global supply can be pinched quickly. Unlike gold or silver mines, which are more widespread and fairly stable, platinum mines are more concentrated, vulnerable, and slow to expand. Adding to the tightness, global stockpiles are shrinking. When vaults run low and new supplies take years to develop, every ounce feels more precious than the last, and markets can get a little jumpy. With so many moving parts, such as supply issues, new technologies, regulatory updates, and industrial booms or busts, platinum prices don't follow quite a steady path. They leap, they dip, and sometimes unpredictably. For investors, this volatility hosts both risk and opportunity. If you know what's moving the markets, you can attempt to buy the dips and sell the spikes, but timing the market is much harder than it seems. So what should investors watch? Supply headlines, news from South African mines can shake up prices. Automotive trends, upticks in hybrids or hydrogen vehicles could boost demand slightly. Environmental regulations, stricter emission standards typically increase platinum demand for those catalytic converters. Jewelry demand, surges in key markets like China and India can definitely impact the prices. And tech innovations, growth in hydrogen fuel cells or medical use can expand the industry demand. By watching these trends, you can make smarter calls about when to add to your holdings, sit tight, or sell into market strength. Whether you're interested in buying bars or coins, selling old jewelry, or just keeping an eye on the market, the Gold Guys are here to help. At Goldguysbullion, we carry premium platinum bars and coins and sell them at the best prices. If you're looking to cash in on your platinum, at Gold Guys, we give you clear, fair, transparent offers on any platinum jewelry, bullion, or scrap you may have. Stop by one of our stores or order a mail-in kit from our website.